Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the Gantt chart in ClickUp. And let's go, for example, right here to a space where we created ourselves a nice place to use the Gantt chart. Because right now, if you want to use the Gantt chart, we go right here most of the time to view, and then we can select right here the Gantt chart. I already did that for this right here, but I will delete the previous one. Oh, that's not possible. But we are having now here the Gantt chart. So let's say, for example, we want to put a task right here in our agenda. So then we click right here on due date, and then we select right here today, and then let's do Monday. No, sorry, that is not true. Let's do right here, for example, just Tuesday. Then you will find exactly right here, if you go on the timeline a little bit more to the right, then you will find right here exactly the task 1, and immediately after it you can see right here editing. Now if you want to have it on a longer period, we can change it right here. So then you see right here the dates, but we can change it right here, and now we are having it on a longer period. So if you click on the blue bar, you will find right here how it works. I created also dependencies right here. So that is why it's saying when task 1 is done, he immediately starts right here with task 2. But right now we can play right here with the dates and the tasks. So this is how you can use right here the Gantt chart. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you have more questions about it, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.